Ready to unleash the ultimate media automation powerhouse by combining the flexibility of N8n with the raw power of FFmpeg. First, open up your N8n instance and let's create a new workflow. Every workflow needs a trigger, so click the plus icon and then search for a trigger. I'm selecting a webhook trigger to start this workflow. When we send data to it, you can name your webhook and then save it. Now for the magic. Add an FFmpeg node by clicking the plus icon again and searching for FFmpeg. Select the FFmpeg node. Connect the FFmpeg node to your trigger now. In the FFmpeg node settings, you will need to select your operation today. We'll choose convert. You also need to configure your output using the FFmpeg commands. This is where you specify the FFmpeg command for the conversion. You can specify the input path dynamically by referencing the output of the previous node. Here, the webhook node makes sure that the path is correct and the output path has the correct folder and naming. Now you can execute the workflow. Make sure your N8n has the correct access to the folders, and you're able to read and write in the respective directories. Remember to use the N8n documentation for help. Go automate all the media files.